Hey there, fellow travelers, ready to plan your next adventure but feeling overwhelmed? Don't worry, I've got the perfect solution for you. ChatGPT. This AI tool can make your travel planning a breeze. Let's dive into how it can help you step by step. First up, destination research. Just ask ChatGPT. What are the best places to visit in destination? For example, if you're eyeing a trip to Paris, you can ask, what are the must-see attractions in Paris for a 5-day trip? ChatGPT will give you a list of top attractions and landmarks, making sure you don't miss a thing. Next, creating a travel itinerary. You can say, create a 7-day itinerary for my trip to destination. I like outdoor activities and cultural experiences. Imagine planning a Tokyo trip. Create a 5-day itinerary for Tokyo that includes temples, food markets, and a day trip to Mount Fuji. ChatGPT will craft a balanced day-by-day plan just for you. Finding accommodations is a breeze too. Simply prompt, suggest the best areas to stay in city for easy access to tourist spots and budget-friendly options. Let's say you're heading to Barcelona. What are the best neighborhoods to stay in Barcelona for a family trip? ChatGPT will recommend the perfect spots based on your needs and budget. Planning transportation? No problem. Ask, how can I get from city to city? What's the most efficient way to travel, for instance? What's the best way to travel between Rome and Florence, and how long does it take? You'll get tips on the best travel modes and navigation. Hungry? Finding local restaurants is simple. Just ask, recommend popular local restaurants in city for trying authentic cuisine. Craving sushi in Tokyo? Where can I find the best sushi restaurants in Tokyo for an authentic experience? ChatGPT's got your taste buds covered. Next, packing list suggestions. Ask, what should I pack for a trip to destination in season? For a summer trip to Italy, what should I pack for a 2-week trip to Italy in the summer? You'll get a tailored packing list to suit your needs. Travel tips and cultural etiquette? Just ask, what are some important travel tips and cultural norms to know before visiting country? Like, what are some important cultural do's and don'ts when traveling in Japan? ChatGPT ensures you respect local customs. Budgeting and costs are crucial too. Ask, what is the average daily budget for a trip to destination, including accommodation, food and transportation? For a trip to Thailand, what's the average cost of a 10-day trip to Thailand, including accommodations and activities? Plan your finances with ease. Visa and travel requirements? No worries. Ask, what are the visa requirements for citizens of your country? For example, do I need a visa to travel to Japan as an Indian citizen? Get all the essential info you need. Lastly, activities and experiences. Ask, what are the top outdoor activities or adventure experiences in destination? For New Zealand, what are the best outdoor activities to do in New Zealand? Discover exciting adventures waiting for you. With these prompts, ChatGPT can help you customize and plan a seamless, well-researched trip. Happy travels, everyone!